It started as a samurai era. Before fight, some samurai gather together, have meeting and discuss or negotiate with drinking tea. Usually, the samurai carry the long sword, but small entrance, they can't bring in the weapon. So no weapon here. Just drinking tea and just discuss.
Tea ceremony is always with matcha.
We have different kind of tea. It's not only matcha, and pick up your tea balls and put onto your left palm. 1, 2, 3, finish. But you are beginner, so you can drink 5, 6. It's okay.
How was it?
Good.
Good, yeah?
I didn't know it was with matcha tea. I thought it was like herbs,
Yeah.
like leaves.
こんにちは。日本タクシー初めてです。初めて。
はい。
日本タクシー初めて。
あ、そうなんですか。
はいはい、そうそうそうそう。大丈夫です。
いいですか。
はいはいはいはい。
お忘れ物ございませんように。
あ、
はい。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。はい、ありがとうございます。
In Dijon also, on the center, like Sunday market.
Oh yeah, exactly the same.
Yeah, exactly same.
We call it brocante.
Brocante. Wow, it's like some very scared. The movie.
Yeah.
Always the coming to like this. Yeah.
Not every weekend, but once or twice in a month.
Yeah.
Yeah,
In-
we can find this kind
In the
of
month,
market.
once or twice.
Yeah,
No.
not every weekend.
Yeah.
I just remember the
Yeah.
Christmas market.
That's
We went. Do you remember we went together
Yeah.
and donuts?
Donut?
Yeah, we took a donut.
Really?
Churros?
Churros, yes. It's normal. Old coin in Japan?
Yes.
Yes.
Some of them are very old. Back in old days, Japan didn't have the technology to make coins, so we imported all the coins from China. So some of them are Chinese.
Chinese. Okay. So price? This is price?
Ah, yes.
오. 와. 메이드. 하이.
Which machine do you want?
Is it different?
Yeah, each one has different.
Which one's better? Why is different? I don't know. Maybe you can look like this.
Yeah.
Oh.
But, okay.
So, does it have a time? Limit time?
Yeah, limit.
Okay.
Finish.
Oh my god!
So haircut and makeup, makeup stamp pen.
Okay.
You wanna try?
Yes. It's an alien. Chico looks good.
Yeah, only Chico looks good.
I think it's matching to Japanese, maybe only Japanese.
You already have big eyes forever.
Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you. Oh.
Oh, let's divide.
Oh. I don't know.
My mother's generation, they invite a lot of people, so like it's 100 people in one wedding. But nowadays, 100 is too much. Close friends, a family, I think it's normal. And it's gonna be under 50 or 30 people. So is your boyfriend French guy?
Yeah, he's
Okay.
French. He's living. We met in Luxembourg in my first company, and then he changed job. And he's French, and now he's also Luxembourgish. He has the nationality.
Nationality.
To me, wedding is so weird because you're gonna party with your parents and grandparents and family, and so you're gonna dance with your friend and all these people that don't know each other and don't have a lot of common points. Going to party together, gather at the same place. To me, it's weird.
Yeah.
I don't really like the atmosphere.
Yes.
And also people used to tend to get a bit drunk also at weddings. So all this drunkenness of party with people that maybe don't.
I would care about how people feel. Like, does my father be friendly to for like strangers? Like my friends are getting along with my father. I really care about it. So I think I will invite just close friends, family.
Makes sense. I prefer dogs to cats actually. Did you have any animals, like domestic animals, when you were a kid, or?
Domestic animal? In Korea we have 진도.
But you have did you have a cat or a dog when you were a kid?
Fish?
I had
Turtle?
Taro?
Insect? Yeah, turtle.
The elementary school. In the elementary school, And for me, in the elementary school, 2 dogs. Okay. But it was a few months just.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a few months. And I'm not quite friendly that time.
Until I keep dogs, I didn't like dog that much. I just don't care.
You need to get to learn the cat or the dog because they also have kind of a personality.
Yes.
So also you need to
and they
little by
don't
little you know them, and so you care more about them.
never
it's
talk
true,
French or Japanese that we can understand. So we have to be able to read their face and what they want to do. It's difficult. I cannot do that, but my mother can do because she spent a long time with them.
So how to drink the outside? First and then after?
Directly first.
Not too sweet.
Like
Could be more. I don't like sweet stuff, so that's why.
You remember? We went to the okonomiyaki buffet last time. You bring to me.
yes.
Yeah,
I think it
okonomiyaki.
was in Asakusa.
Tompeyaki. Tompey, what is its meaning? Tompey.
Appetizer.
This food.
Yeah.
really?
Guy's name.
Yeah.
Okay. itadakimasu. Please, something expression good.
豚ネギと明太子です。
Is it already cooked or?
Yeah, already
Already cooked, yes. So we can eat. Yeah. Normally, you guys cook in the home, the okonomiyaki. Also cook in the home. Is they have something packaged?
Pork, powder, mix, bake, finish.
Like pancake.
bonito flakes. It's important.
When we came here, I think it was day. Not in the night. You remember?
Yes, it was just afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah. But at that time, it's not many people come to here. When we visit
I
here,
think so.
yeah, it's
There are no bench.
there's no bench. But now here, many some
Yeah.
improved.
Passport stamp?
Yeah.
Where?
In the passport? No?
Oh.
Maybe
I
too big.
think
But-
too big.
But passport is sometimes it's dangerous when you enter this other country.
Maybe if you have specific.
But it's really good opportunity because we can see the whole like whole the Tokyo so for free.
Yeah, for free.
Yeah, it's good.
Like if you go to Tokyo Tower, you have to pay like 2,000 yen.
Yes, short time. It's, yeah, we can go to tomorrow also again.
Too many places you want to go to.